Welcome everybody. I wanted to present my own game. It is a simple game programmed in C++. This game is a combination of adventure and survival. The rule of the game is that the main character must survive and be able to reach the last level without dying. All you have to do to achieve the next level is collecting all the keys scattered around the map. Watch out for cannon shots. As soon as you touch them, you will lose. But there is no problem with that, because by tapping the letter R, you can restart the game from the beginning. When you collect all the keys, you will notice that the color of the door is changed from red to green. Then you can go towards it and you will proceed to the next level. Now let's move on to the buttons. This game is limited to 5 buttons only. Z to advance. S to go backwards. Q to go left. D to turn right, and finally R to restart the game in case of loss. If you want to try the game, you can find it on GitHub along with the images and sound files. Now let's move on to the second part of the video, which is the part about the game code. As I said earlier, this game is programmed in C++ using SFML, which is a cross-platform software development library designed to provide a simple application programming interface (API) to various multimedia components in computers. It is written in C++ with bindings available for Ada, C, Crystal, D, Euphoria, Go, Java, and Julia. First, we had to include some libraries that we will need, like SFML Graphics, SFML Audio, Windows.h, IStream. Here we also see isCollide function, which is a function that helps to know if two objects are in contact. For example, this function helped to know that if the character touches the cannonball, then the game ends. Secondly, we have the declaration of variables, characters, backgrounds, keys, doors, cannons, cannonballs, music, and many other items. As you can see, we can add an element as texture. Then use hisName.loadFrom to include it. There is also a setScale function that controls its size, and setPosition to change its coordinates. As for the song, we declare it as music. And there are several functions as setVolume and setLoop. Thirdly, we need at every level to set limits that the character cannot cross. Then knowing if the character touched the cannonball to lose or touched the key to pick it up, and also knowing if it picked up all the keys to allow it to pass to the next level. This block contains also many functions to display sprites on the screen. The most important functions are window.draw and window.display. And at the end of the code, we have the winning animation with the words "you win" or the losing animation with the words "game over" and special sound effects. Note: the ability to return to the game in case of loss is programmed into this part of the code. And here we come to the end of the video. I hope it is comprehensive and simple. You will find the code link below the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon with a new game.